In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to your Shopify product gallery. Adding a video to your product page is a great way to show your item in action, explain features more clearly, and build trust with your customers. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step, so you can confidently upload a video and make sure it appears right alongside your product images. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage your store. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Products. Go ahead and click on that. You'll now see a list of all the products in your store. From this list, choose the specific product you want to add a video to and click its name to open the product editor page. Once you're inside the product editor, scroll down to the section labeled Media. This is where all of your product images are displayed. Under this media area, you'll see a box with a plus icon. Click that plus icon. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will appear. This window gives you two main options. You can upload a video directly from your computer, or you can select a video that's already stored in your Shopify files. If your video is saved on your computer, choose the upload option and navigate to the file you want to use. Try to pick a video that's clear, not too long, and properly formatted for web use, since large files can slow down your product page. If you've already uploaded the video to your Shopify files in the past, simply select it from the list shown in the pop-up. Once you've chosen the correct video, click the Done button in the bottom right corner of the pop-up to confirm your selection. Before you leave this page, there's one crucial step. Look toward the top of the product editor, near the search bar, and click the Save button. Saving applies your changes and makes sure your new video is actually attached to the product. If you forget to save, the video will not appear on your live store. After saving, your video will now show up in the product image carousel. It will appear as a selectable thumbnail right alongside your product images. When customers browse your product, they'll be able to click on the video thumbnail and watch it in line, giving them a richer, more engaging view of what you're selling.